Hello girls and boys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another Jingle Bell Christmas video. I'm like so in the festive mood right now. I'm just absolutely loving it. I did actually sit down today with the intention of this being an Instagram video, and I just put Home Alone on and I've just been sat here doing my makeup with the camera on. So I was halfway through filming this video and I just loved the way that this look was coming out. I loved the way that the glitter looked and just kind of the bronzy vibes, and I knew that you guys would really enjoy this as a Christmas video as well. This would make such a cute glam for a Christmas party, or I don't know, like even Christmas Day or New Year's Eve. It's just a very festive glam and I'm really happy with how it came out. I feel like I haven't done a bronzy glam in a while. So this video will be a voiceover because obviously I didn't intend on it being a tutorial, but I hope that you guys like this look. I have so many more glam festive looks coming your way. I've actually planned out all of my Christmas looks to the T, as in like what palettes I'm going to be using, what glitters I'm going to be using. I am so organized this year. So yeah, I hope that you guys enjoy this look. Let me know if you're planning to wear this to your Christmas party. Anyways, without further ado, let's get into it. So of course we are doing a more heavy smoky eye look today. So I am going to be using my Louise eyeshadow base first of all. This is honestly just the best base for any eyeshadow, but especially if you're doing heavy eyeshadow, and it will just keep your makeup in place all evening. So I like to just pat that on first and then buff it out with my beauty sponge. The palette that we're using today is the Morphe 35G Bronze Goals palette. If I'm doing a bronze look, this is my go-to palette. I do of course still have my Morphe code, so I will pop it on the screen here for you. And the way that I'm going to start applying this is I'm just packing this on the outer corner, just using a blending brush, and I'm going to start building up that colour. And once I'm happy with the amount on my outer corner, I'm then going to start bringing that eyeshadow inwards towards my inner corner and then slightly flicking it out towards my temples, and then I'm going to go in with a fluffy blending brush. This one is a Zoeva. Oh, I can't remember the number. I will put it down below in the description box. This is the best brush for blending out your eyeshadow. It's just really precise and really soft and fluffy, and I just absolutely love it for buffing everything out. I am also going to swirl that eyeshadow up into the inner corner of my eye and up into the inner corner of the brow as well. I find that this just gives you a really smoky look. And then to clean everything up, I'm going to take my Morphe Jeffree Star sponge with a little bit of the NYX setting spray on it, and I'm just going to pull that up along the temples to clean up that line. So then we're going to be dipping into this rich dark brown shade and switching over to a smaller blending brush. I'm going to start packing this again onto the outer corner and just building this colour up on top of the lighter shade that we have already laid down. So we're kind of just adding layers and more depth to that outer corner, and I'm going to slowly bring that in to the inner corner of my eye as well, but I'm keeping this eyeshadow a lot lower than the first colour that we laid down. It should kind of have a little bit of a gradient effect to it. I am also going to be taking that dark brown shade and applying this to my lower lash line as well. What I do is I just kind of run the colour along the lower lash line first, and then I start buffing it out. If you do want to clean up the eyeshadow once you're done, just to make sure that everything connects seamlessly, you can also do that as well. And then we're going to go in with the glitter. So I am using Star Power from Anastasia Beverly Hills and Autumn from Smolder Cosmetics. I did also add in a little bit of Charmed from Anastasia Beverly Hills as well on my mixing palette, and then I'm just sticking that down with my Anastasia Beverly Hills glitter glue, which is such a great glitter glue. I cannot recommend this stuff enough. My glitter just does not budge whenever I use this stuff. I am also applying this in kind of a semicircle, kind of cut crease type shape. I'm kind of just following where my crease is and then just bringing that halfway across the lid, if that makes sense. One thing I always do when I am applying glitter is to keep packing that glitter on and making sure that the glitter is really, really dense. This is going to give you kind of maximum impact and maximum sparkle. And yeah, just keep going, just keep putting more and more glitter on, girl. So I am also going to add on a very slight winged eyeliner today. I'm using the NYX Epic Ink eyeliner, and this is in the brown shade, and I'm kind of just adding the liner on the outer corner, if that makes sense. I'm not going to bring this into all the way into my inner corner of my eye. I'm kind of just bringing it to the center of my lid, almost like a half eyeliner. Hopefully that makes sense. For my lashes today, I used Lily Lashes Boston lashes. I absolutely love these. They are so comfortable and so glam. And then we're going to move on to the skin. So first of all, I'm going to apply my primer. This is the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer. This primer is amazing if you are going out on your Christmas parties and you need your makeup to stay put. And then we are going to move on to our foundation. So I am using my Too Faced Born This Way today. I've really been loving this foundation again recently. It's just such a gorgeous foundation. I'm sure most of you guys have already tried this. It's a medium to full coverage and it's really hydrating as well, so it's perfect for getting a full coverage but a nice soft glowy look. I'm using the iconic London concealer. This concealer is so bomb. I've been using this so much at the moment. It's so hydrating. It gives such a nice amount of coverage and it does not move all day. I honestly, you guys have to try this concealer. It's become one of my favorites already. I'm obsessed. And then for my bronzer, I'm using the Milk Makeup Baked Bronzing Stick, and I'm just kind of popping that onto the skin and then buffing it out with my blending sponge and a brush, and having a little drink of Diet Coke as well. So recently I haven't been loving powder too much. I just find that my skin is too dry in the winter, but this Hourglass Ambient Lighting Powder on the under eyes, especially on top of that iconic London concealer, is such a dreamy combination, and it just gives you a very subtle under eye glow. A great tip for glowy bronzed skin is to take a shimmery bronzer and mix it with your matte bronzer, and this just gives your skin a very subtle glow. So I'm using this one from Cover FX. This is the Bronzing Duo, followed by my Milani Luminoso blush, which is such a classic, and my Ofra Beverly Hills highlighter, which honestly, I think if I had to use one highlighter for the rest of my life, I think it would be this one. And then finally, just to finish off with our lips, I'm going to take the Morphe Love Bite lip pencil, which is my current favorite nude lip pencil. I love this so much. I use it with every single nude ever. You have to buy one for yourself. You guys are going to love it. And then I am also going to be using Jeffree Star Cosmetics Christmas Cookie Velour Liquid Lip, which I ordered recently, and I love this shade. It's a very, very warm kind of pinky nude. It's just, there's something so cute about this shade. I love it so much. And I'm also going to top it off with this gloss that's also from Jeffree Star Cosmetics, and this is in the shade Diamond Juice. Oh my god, I've never seen such a gorgeous glittery gloss in my life before. And then finally, I'm just going to add a little bit of my Urban Decay Chill Setting Spray, and then we are done. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know what you think down below. Let me know if you're going to try this out for yourself, and I will see you on my next Jingle Bell Christmas video.